So I thought when I get back home, I'm going to remedy this. What's going on, guys? I'm here again in one of my favorite locations in Tupelo, Mississippi. This old kind of industrial area. Some of this stuff, I've been here before. I know I've told y'all if you've seen the videos. Some of these buildings, I believe, have been refurbished into like some type of venue for weddings, etc. It's really nice on the inside. But my question to you guys today is, what do you guys do, if anything, for organization in your saddlebags, tour pack, etc.? I never had an issue with this. I just kind of throw stuff in there and kind of let it ramble around, whatever. But I changed my mind on that when I went to Louisiana. When I went down there, I had stuff, I think I'd put in my saddlebag one day, my Insta360, the cover for it that protects the lens, and got back to the hotel. I got to looking around, like I couldn't find it anywhere. Man, I went through, stuck it in this saddlebag. Okay, so I went through this saddlebag, couldn't find it. I thought, well, maybe I put it in a tour pack. Went through the tour pack, couldn't find it. I'm like, oh no, I didn't put it in the other saddlebag. I looked there anyway. Came back to the other saddlebag, eventually found it in the first saddlebag I looked in, but it had got worked down into a pair of gloves that I had. So I thought when I get back home, I'm going to remedy this. And I didn't feel like spending $180 something or whatever they are for the, the diamond stitched saddlebag liners that Hogz sells, which I'm sure they're great. But all the videos I saw on those, they were with the new style attachment for the saddlebags where they screw in, and I wasn't sure they would work with mine. So I ordered a cheaper pair off of Amazon and put them in. They looked great, but when I put them in, the holes, like where my attachments go in to, lock the saddlebag on right there, the holes were too close together, so they wouldn't fit my saddlebags. I had to send those back. So I just opted to get a cheap organizer. It was like $30 or something like that off Amazon. I know you guys probably seen these, but hopefully it's not too dark down in there. You can see, but they had 3M tape on the back, and this one had 1, 2, 3, about 4 or 5 different locations where you peel it off and they stick to the inside of the saddlebag. But this one has a thing on the front that's got like molly straps and a little pouch right there. I keep my 360 in that one. Got a zip up pouch, another pouch right there, kind of a zippered net thing right there. And I'll show you the other side. Probably not going to be able to see it very well. I got all my rain gear and stuff in here. Just kind of the same way. You guys can see that it's got a spot for like a bottle holder right there that you can kind of cinch up. It's got a big zippered compartment right there and another compartment on the back that's got a flap in it. So I used to keep tools and bungee strap, rain gear, etc. in this saddlebag. So anyway, this one on this side is the one I'm mainly using now. Like I said, I've been keeping my Insta360 or whatever camera I'm not using at the time down in here. I've got my secondary camera right there. Got a pack right there with SD cards in it. I'll keep my phone charger in there. And I know they have saddlebag organizers. I'm not running one of those. I actually have this day I'm starting to put my chop tour pack. I had a bunch of stickers in. So this one I'm starting to put some stickers in. I had a Smoky Mountains where I've been there. Bogey Biker. Got a sticker right there. But I got some other people's stickers I'm gonna put here. I don't want to save this and put stickers from places that I've been, and I need to get some places I've already been on the bike and put in this one. But anyway, they make packs that are organizational things that attach to the lid of your tour pack, but I'm not really wanting to cover that up, so I usually just throw like a jacket, keep my drone, wild ass seat cushion, you know, some stuff like that, first aid kit, arm sleeves for the sun, etc. I keep in there, and I travel, I keep my laptop and stuff in there, so I don't want to lose any space by adding something to the thickness of the lid. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. I've had them in there for a little bit. They're working really good right now. If I think about it, I'll give you an update at some point of how they're doing, but it seemed like they were well made. They fit good. If you notice mine, I've got this type of deal on my saddlebag latch where they go in and lock in. So it's got to be pretty thin right there for that to be able to fit. But those went in, no issue. And it seems like they're pretty well made. They've helped me to keep stuff kind of organized, be able to find stuff a little bit easier. But just let me know down in the comments, guys, what y'all do if you feel there's any need for any organizational compartment or something, you know, something to keep things organized in your saddlebags and tour pack, or if you don't fool with that, or if you are using something, what are you using, and how's it doing, what's the benefits, drawbacks to them, have you tried something that wasn't worth the crap, didn't work out? Leave down in the comments, let everybody know so nobody else buys it. And that's it, guys. It's a lot of clouds right there. It's only about 15% chance of rain today, so we're gonna get back on the road, get some wind stirring. I'm gonna find something to drink, maybe get something to eat here in a minute. And I got a video I'm thinking about doing about locations here around the city of Tupelo that refers to something that you guys might have seen, so stay tuned for that. And we're gonna get back on the road. Appreciate you guys watching, and y'all stay safe out there. Catch you guys in the next one.